Another profitable trade with Forex Trendy, and we are just starting. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to pick high quality trades with accurate signals. Everything will be done in an automatic way, so you will not have to scan the charts, analyzing the charts all day long to find entries, okay? And for this purpose we are going to trade with continuation patterns like flag, triangle and rising wedge. Continuation patterns that are formed during a trend, okay? I'm using an online tool, Forex Trendy, the Forex Trend Scanner. It scans trends on 34 Forex pairs plus 3 commodities like gold, silver and oil. You will find all the time frames, and I'm going to show you now the last few good trades I took thanks to this online tool. Since I am a very busy guy, I don't have a lot of time to scan the markets. I like to save my time, and I take advantage of online tools like this. So let's start. Let's take a look at the first trade. We are on the hourly and USD, Singapore dollar. We got a rising wedge, okay, sell signal. There is a downtrend, as you can see here from the red arrow. The pattern is rising wedge, and the break it's at 1.3795. And as you can see here below the chart, you will find the Fibonacci targets, okay? For those guys and ladies that are not familiar or comfortable with the extensions, okay? So you will have suggestions, okay, about the take profit levels. It was a pretty good one because the price reached the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. I'm gonna show you the trade on my TradingView account. As you can see, this was a pretty good one because it shows a risk-reward ratio of 1.76. Okay, so one thing you have to look at when you are trading is that you should pick trades with a high risk-reward ratio because many times depends on your strategy. Okay, so many times, sometimes, okay, you will of course you will hit the stop loss, okay? So even if you break even at the end of the month, like you win 10 trades and you lose 10 trades, then you will still be in profit. So this is why you should use a strategy that contemplates trades with a high risk reward ratio, okay? I hope to be clear, okay? So let's take a look at another trade, the euro and the USD, always on the hourly. We got a triangle and buy signal. There is an uptrend, the green arrow right here. The break at 1.0986, and the price hit the Gunter ratio, okay? So this was another profitable one. And this trade, as you can see, has a risk-reward ratio of 1.36. So it's not a 1-to-1, but it's a 1-to-4. 1 to 1.5, okay? As you can see, you will find many interesting opportunities to profit on the Forex market. Of course, you will not win all the trades, but at the end of the month, if you trade wisely, you can grow your wallet, okay? Before doing this, before investing any money, you need a strategy. Before using a strategy, you have to backtest it, verifying if it's profitable or not, okay? Before using any software, anything, okay? So let me show you the third trade. the British pound and the Canadian dollar. We are still on the hourly. I would like to show you all the trades, but of course it will take a very long time. So this trade was huge. Okay, we got this falling wedge forming. It took like 1 week to form, and as you can see, the trend line of this software are very good because they have more than 3 touching points. In this case, we got like 7 touching points, and when you have a trend line with all these touching points, it means that the software is very good and the pattern is reliable. Okay, we have a buy signal and a break at 1.6276, and this was a huge one because if I'm not wrong, it's like 500 pips more or less. Okay, in fact, this was a trade with a risk reward ratio of 5.18. It means that if I invest 100, I gain 500. Okay, if I invest 1,000, I get 5,000. Okay, and so on. This is why it's very important to pick trades with a high risk reward ratio, guys. Okay, it's very important. If you want to be profitable with your trading activity, you should really consider these elements. It's fundamental, guys. I usually heard of traders that are winning a lot of trades but are not profitable. You know why? Because they don't have good trades with a risk reward ratio. Many traders usually pick trades with a low ratio, okay, like 1 to 1 or below 1. Okay, so it's not a good thing. And you should wisely use the stop loss. Okay, I'm not a fan of martingale and other techniques like this because you have to protect your capital. You will not go always like this. Okay, you will hit the stop sometime. Often the market is going to retest, so you will have few pullback. Okay, and there are many ways to set the stop loss. Let's take a look at the last trade, the euro and the Turkish lira, always on the hourly. We got a triangle by signal break at 6.2637, and the price continue to climb. Okay, and the uptrend is confirmed. So here I put my take profit if I'm not wrong at 1.618 according to my strategy, but this trade has a lot of profit opportunities. Okay, yes, I put my take profit at 1.618 Fibonacci extension. So and this was another good one because the risk reward ratio was about 1.5. Okay, so if I invest 100, I get 150. It's it's not bad. It's not bad. I know you guys wanna get rich soon, quick, but we don't have, okay, get quick rich, okay, or get rich quick, whatever. Okay, so it's a marathon. You have to invest wisely and grow your account on a daily basis. Okay, accepting losses because you will incur in some losses, but be smart. Okay, so I really like this software. I'm using it since a long time. It's very reliable. It's quite cheap because I pay $3 per week for a quarterly membership. Okay, so at the end of the 90 days are like $37 more or less. I show you the settings. You will find a trend section because it's very good for trend following too. In fact, in this page, you will find trending pairs on all time frames, of course, and you will see the drawdown, the maximum drawdown here. It's 18, 19%, more or less. And below the chart, you will find the information about the trend on all time frames. So let's suppose I want to enter this trend, and I have to look at the higher time frames. Okay, so I will observe the hourly, the 4 hours, the daily. As you can see, are the numbers next to the time frame. This is the drawdown. Okay, so keep in mind. So in the settings section, you will find all you need to operate. There are the forex pairs. Imagine you are trading with the common ones. Okay, so you will select only the common ones, or you are trading with 34 forex pairs plus commodities. Okay, and then you select all of them. This is the section, the pattern section. Okay, and there is a very interesting option, reliability. If I select the lowest, I will receive a lot of signals, but then I have to filter them, okay, because not all the signals are good. So I decided to put the medium level, okay, and if I select the highest, then I will receive very few signals, but they will be very reliable. Okay, and then you can decide where to receive the alerts. You can receive on your mailbox or on your SMS. And if you leave your website open, you will hear during the day an audible alert every time the pattern is completed. In fact, if I scroll down the page, you will find emerging patterns. Okay, so these are the patterns that are forming, and when the price will break through the trend line, you will receive the alert, because the algorithm is very good and is working. Is doing its job. Okay, if you want to join this useful, reliable tool, this is online, so you won't have to download anything. It works with all the platforms. Okay, I got many people asking me, is this working on Ninja Trader? Yes, it's working with every platform. So you can click on the link below. You will find the link, and you will land on their homepage. Don't forget to visit my website, forexexpert.net. You will find a lot of useful information. Okay, and for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. I will upload a lot of content. Good trading, everybody. Bye bye.